Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy trick to catch common prawn in Heartopia. Common prawn is one of the favorite foods for the sea otter, so this item is pretty important if you want to increase your bond level with the sea otter. And first, you need to go to the SC area. You can get this common prawn on the S area. It's the area. This is very important because common prawn only spawns here. Next, just check the weather and time. You can catch it all day, but only during sunny, rainy, and rainbow weather. And so after that, just go to the sea, like here, over here, on here. Just go to this area, on here. And then just start fishing like usual and throw your line, wait for the bite, and keep repeating. And since this prawn only has a limited spawn location, just staying in this spot will greatly increase your chances. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.